You want to play, huh, Sky? That's the precise opening for the shower faucet.
It's close.
Look at that.
Good enough. This is gonna come off.
Oh,
Working studs.
makes sense.
1x5 here, right?
Okay.
Remember?
Yep, I
We
do
talked
remember.
about that.
Yep.
So there's gonna be a 1x5 here, and there's gonna be, I'm gonna drywall this, and then there's gonna be another 1x5 going up here, and then we're gonna return with the 1x3.
Right, like
Okay.
a molding.
So this is gonna, so the only thing we'll have to figure out is that line.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
that'll just be like a piece of, I don't know, probably 1 1.5 inches, maybe, I don't know. We'll see what it ends up.
These are adjustments
It'll
to be
probably
made.
3/4, it'd be 1.25 inches. So we may have to rip something down. Oh, we got it.
Adjustments to be made because of the wall that had to be cleared out.
Did you ever see Winnie the Pooh?
Of course.
It's a wonderful thing about trim. I love it.
Yeah, I repaired the so-called town molding in the kitchen.
Oh, did you? They don't have the automatic seam connection, so you put tape on there and then you that's what this hot mud is so good for, is that it bonds
Oh, okay.
so well to the stuff that,
So do you do entire walls with this?
if it was new construction, I would tape these things.
Okay.
I don't tape butt joints.
Okay.
Not usually, at least. I mean,
Today, Paul is going to use his texturing skills to make the new walls look just like the old walls. So the master of texturizing is at work, making these new walls look just like the old walls. So the idea is to keep the house walls all the same type of texture, because it's pretty cool. We're into this. This side light really helps to illuminate the texturing.
the surface.
Yeah. So you can see the highs and lows, and if it's just flat light, you can't hardly tell.
No.
Like over here and over here. This is the worst part of the house.
Yeah. to make a mistake.
Oh, because the toilet's there and
That's right. And you sit there and you can stare.
Okay.
Depending on how long your constitution lasts. It's just a politically correct way to say extortion. Right?
The only problem we have with Medicare is the providers here aren't that great.
Wow.
And so to get the professional specialists that we need to see, we have to go into Seattle.
Yeah, you have to leave town, for sure.
But that was our choice living out here.
Ticket there actually is that, you know, that's why it's so important to establish those relationships in this trade that where you can trust him. You know he's not going to take you to the cleaners. And then on top of that, you don't know. Why I say that is because you haven't been in the trades. So, I know how much stuff costs.
It looks so easy doing this, but it is not. It is if you do little areas like I've done to patch up corners.
Sure.
But a whole wall, yeah. Leave it to the texturizer himself.
There you go. This is something where you watch a video and say, "Oh, I'm going to do that." It doesn't work. I mean, it could. It take a while. But
good progress.
an artist rendition of the Wingett's bathroom. How's that?
Where are your initials?
I used to do that. It's funny you said that. When I was, I would always carve my initials in a closet.
Well, that solar tube provides pretty good lighting.
Yeah, it does actually.
So tomorrow, it'll be ready for priming?
Yeah.
And all walls should be primed, right? Even those that are...
Absolutely.
Okay.
Make it consistent.
Okay.
Otherwise...
Yeah, you get blotchy and not so pretty paint.
You should just do it. If there's some things you don't like, maybe a ridge or whatever.
Well, I will hit it.
You can lightly sand it.
Yeah.
Just very lightly. But
Yeah.
it's all wet. And
No,
sometimes it sags a little bit. And
part of the character of texture is that it's inconsistent, but in an even way.
totally inconsistent.
Yep.